Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the tastiest tamarind ice lollies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you will need 1.5 squeezed lime, a drop of vanilla essence, 1 liter of warm water or more. You'll also need some sugar according to the sweetness you want. And lastly, you'll need some tamarind. I will use about 350 grams of tamarind. In a large bowl like this, you will add some tamarind. I used about 350 grams of tamarind. Then I'm going to pour 1 liter of warm water or more. And I'm going to add sugar about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Then stir and cover to put aside for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to mix my tamarind very well to get enough juice out of it. And once I'm done, I will transfer the juice into a jug as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to pour the juice back into the bowl using a sieve as you can see in the video to get rid of the seeds. Then pour some squeezed lime and give a quick mix. Then I'm going to add a drop of vanilla essence and continue mixing the juice very well. At this point, you'll test your juice if you'll need more sugar or not, and if yes, add some sugar according to the sweetness that you want and mix the juice very well. Then I'm going to save the juice once more before filling into the ice bags or ice molds. Then lastly, I'm going to fill the juice into the ice bags, or you can use ice molds, anything that you prefer. And my tamarind lime ice lollies are ready as you can see in the video. I'll put them in the freezer for 8 hours or more. And after 8 hours, my tamarind ice lollies are ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your tamarind ice lollies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of ice lollies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.